go. Woo! Oh my God, catfish.
Yeah. Heck yeah, man.
That's awesome. I can hear him. Hear it? He's talking. Wop, wop, wop. That's a nice one, too. Yeah, catfish.
Woo!
I'm getting ready to head down there.
You should be.
What are you going to do with them? Keep or what?
I don't know yet.
How hung up are ya?
Pretty decent, I suppose.
That is caught. And what sucks is it's right off the bank, but it's deep, so.
Probably just caught on a rock.
Yeah. Walk this way. Yeah. You're hung. Well, and by that, I mean he's hung up on a rock. Wouldn't it be cool to set up a camp here, though?
Oh, man. That'd be an awesome idea. Go fishing overnight.
Bring some memories.
Have some fire. Get my cast iron going on over the open fire. Do a catch and cook.
Bring the raft.
That'd be a good night.
Go out on the water. What you guys think? Y'all think we should do that? We got 2 chunks of chicken.
Well, I think all my chicken came off there.
Well, shit. All right, so a little bit of the chicken came off. He's gonna rebait it and chunk it back out there.
That'll do, donkey.
That will do, donkey. I have a friend that thinks they say, "Bow do, donkey." Bow do. Here's somebody paddling the river. There, I zoomed in. They must have a trolling motor. You can't, yeah, they do. Yeah, you can actually kind of see it standing up on the back there. That's awesome. Zoomed in too. Oh shit, look at that. Okay, so after the catfish, we haven't really had much luck, so we're going to try to recap. It looks like they're trying to maybe jig or something. All right, what the guys in the boat right there is doing is they're checking the river lines. There's one right here. There's one right there. And they're all down the riverbank. Damn, a huge fish just jumped. Shit, right there. Damn. There we go. Come on. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. Oh my God, damn. Look at that.
Got him in the foot.
Snagged the river monster. Hey, this is the same exact turtle from...
No, it's not.
No, I mean the same species
Oh,
of
yeah.
turtle that you caught over there at the bluffs.
Yeah.
Well, that was quick. You guys had any luck?
We've got a few. We pulled some fish off every morning.
Oh, that's awesome.
We got the line.
Yeah, we seen y'all's lines through here.
Yeah.
I like your boat. I got a little 14-foot apple at home.
Oh, nice.
Oh, wow.
We pulled him off just a while ago.
Yeah, he's good looking.
I'm filming this. Is that okay?
Yeah, you're fine.
All right.
That's
That's a nice catch.
probably 12-pound blue.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Just good eater.
Oh, yeah.
Feasible.
Yeah. And they're decent fish.
Oh, yeah.
And then we just go up to the brush pile and catch a few crappie, and while we're catching bait. So
Oh, yeah. What are you catching the crappie with?
just worm.
Oh, shoot, just worms.
Oh.
Yeah, just night crawler. We're just fishing. We'll hit right just before the bridge.
Oh, down here at Cap?
Yeah, we're not past the bridge. We're this side of the bridge.
Oh, okay.
But we'll hit a brush pile and catch our bait.
Somebody's coming in on another boat. Let you guys see. It's zoomed in pretty good, so there they are. Now he put, you guys, oops, see that? He put live bait on there. You guys can see it moving. How many fish did he say he pulls out here?
And he's got 25 lines.
25 lines.
He gets 5 or 6 every day.
And he said live bait was the best, so that's why I like catching smaller fish and cutting them up and tossing them back in. That's usually where we catch the good ones. Now that's pretty cool. We got a kayak coming in. Got some cool colors on that. And it's showing up on camera, orange, yellow, brown and stuff. All right, now I actually do want to come back here and throw in that raft and head over this area right here, and I think that'd be a good place to fish. Now what's cool is the couple that just went by in the boat, they watched my videos, they know about Cowan Bridge and all that. Once I told them, yeah, we was filming, because I asked them if I could film them, and then when I told them why, they were like, yeah, that's you. You know, that's awesome. Pretty cool. That's awesome. He's fishing too. Son of a bitch, he's fishing. He's fishing too. He's fishing. I bet you $10. He doesn't catch a fish. Hopefully he gets something.
You're a dick. I should have waited. You got me all excited.
I guess I ripped the bowl too much.
You did. You cleared that bowl.
I'm going to have a lot of close-up in this video.
Doing.
I'm just going to toss that right here. Just right here by that little brush pile.
Is that what you're doing, man?
That's what I'm doing.
That's what you're doing. All right.
Oh, hung again and broke the line. Shit. Meanwhile, my pole's sitting here untouched. It is 6:17, guys. Riverbank. All right, guys. So it's going like about 7 o'clock. I'm wore out. We're not really getting any bites, but we are going to come back, bring the raft, the cooler, and probably get some live bait like some minnows, worms. Probably get that from Kaplinger Woods there where we buy a lot of our gear and pizza. Oh yeah, I have to get pizza too. Yeah, live bait and pizza, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we're going to wrap this up. You guys can see behind me. Dude's still fishing. That's pretty cool. We've seen like 3 different people come through. The first ones are fans of the channel. You guys saw that. Second guy come by, kayaking, fishing. He had some luck. This old boy asked us if we had luck. So it's pretty cool spot. Got a little bit to climb back up to the car, but hey, we're going to get it done. Do me a favor. Hit that like button. Only takes a second. Leave a comment. Comment where you're watching from, be it a state, a city, or your couch, wherever, guys. Till next video, as always, much love.